If your Lincoln Nautilus refuses to launch Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. The fix is usually a simple reset. Data shows that over 85% of these connectivity issues are caused by minor software hangups rather than hardware failure. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to get your maps and music back on the screen. The most effective fix is a soft reset of the Sync 4 system by holding the power and seek up buttons together. Sometimes the issue is on the phone side, so double-check that Siri is enabled and CarPlay isn't restricted in your settings. Always use an Apple-certified cable, as many aftermarket cords only provide power without a stable data connection. If your wireless connection is flaky, switching to a wired connection is the best way to isolate a software bug. As you can see, a simple system reset solves the vast majority of Lincoln connectivity complaints immediately. If all else fails, delete the pairing from both the car and the phone and start the setup from scratch. Keep a spare genuine cable in your glove box and ensure your Lincoln's Wi-Fi is connected to download system updates. Remember, modern infotainment systems are just computers on wheels, and they occasionally need a reboot just like your laptop. Hopefully this got your CarPlay back online. If these steps worked for you, hit that subscribe button for more Nautilus tech tips.